Recently, some Facebook Messenger users said, "Unfortunately, Messenger says something went wrong. Please try again later," while log in into your Facebook Messenger account. If you find that you can't log into your Messenger account and keep getting "something went wrong, please try again later," then you need to watch this video to solve your problem. Because after analyzing login error issues on Messenger, here I present the top 3 proven solutions that will fix something went wrong problems on Messenger apps. So let's get started. First, you need to fix your internet issues. First, check your internet speed and stability. So you can quickly run a speed test on your device by opening a browser and typing a speed test. If you found that your internet is not working well, you can enable airplane mode, or you can switch your mobile network from Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. Now, if you find that your internet is working but still have issues, then you need to check the Messenger server. Often, when the Messenger server is down, you have these issues. To check the Messenger server, you need to open a browser on your device, type www.isitdownright.com. You come over here on this page. Tap here. Now type messenger.com. Now, if you see it, it says up. That means there are no server issues for your Messenger apps. However, if it says down, that means there is an ongoing problem with the server. In that case, you need to wait till Facebook fixes their server for all users. Now, if you found there are no issues with the server, you need to follow some other setting to solve your problem. Now you need to open Setting, scroll down, tap Apps, tap Manage Apps, search for Messenger apps, tap on it. Now first turn on Auto Start, tap App Permission, enable Files and Media, enable Location, go back, scroll down, tap Other Permission, tap Change Wi-Fi Connectivity, tap Always Allow, go back, tap Battery Saver, choose No Restriction, enable all the setting, now tap Clear Data, tap Clear All Data, tap OK. Before you check your issues, you need to do one last work to fix the login errors. Now tap on the Google Play Store, tap Search option, type Messenger, and quickly check for a new software update for a Messenger application. If you found a new software update for Messenger updated, now go back to and open Messenger apps. Enter your login credential. Make sure to enter the correct username and password and see what happens. If you still have issues after following the process, please comment below. If you still have issues with something went wrong, please try again on your Messenger account. Thanks for watching.